Name some common Java IDEs. Well, the most common is of course Eclipse. It's open source. Mainly people use it for writing Java applications, but because it supports many plugins, it has a plugin architecture, so you can also now use Eclipse for many different languages. And of course, Eclipse is platform independent. It's open source. You can use it also on many platforms, like doesn't matter, Java, Unix, Linux, whatever. It has a very good built-in debugging, testing, and source code generation. What do you say? Tools. Uh, yeah. So it's it has everything that you see in a modern uh, IDE these days is available in Eclipse, and it's just wonderful. I also mostly use Eclipse for my Java development. Then there is one other very famous, easy to install IDE for Java, that is NetBeans. It's also open source, and it's also supported by many platforms, and it has also a plugin architecture, and there are many plugins available. Uh, of course, Android Studio is also, we actually normally write Android apps, Android mobile based apps on Android Studio, but these Android development is also mostly based on Java. You so Android Studio is also one common tool, common IDE, I mean. Uh, Next is Dr. Java. Dr. Java is a very lightweight, commonly used uh, IDE for Java developers. It's mostly used by the beginners and the students. It's of course not as common as Eclipse and NetBeans, but it's also, I think very good for beginners and students. It's lightweight and quite modern. It's also been around since 2002. And then comes the gedit. It's also another common IDE for Java, and then Xcode and JDeveloper, IntelliJ, many others are also available. Yeah.